Understanding the Role of a Caretaker. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting word that often pops up in conversations about jobs, responsibilities, and taking care of things or people. Caretaker. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what a caretaker is, but also how to use this word in different contexts. So, let's get started. The term caretaker is made up of two parts, care and taker. Essentially, a caretaker is someone who takes care of someone else, a place, or an object. This can mean different things depending on the context. For instance, a caretaker might be someone who looks after a child or an elderly person, a person who maintains a building or a property, an individual taking care of an animal or a garden. In all these situations, the caretaker's role is to ensure that the person, place, or thing they're responsible for is looked after, safe, and in good condition. At home, in a family setting, a caretaker might be a parent, a child, or a relative who is looking after the family home or a family member who needs assistance due to age, illness, or disability. In employment, as a job title, caretakers are often employed by schools, hospitals, and residential complexes. They are responsible for the maintenance and security of the premises. In this context, a caretaker might do everything from cleaning to minor repairs. Temporary positions. Sometimes, the word caretaker is used for a person who fills a role temporarily. For example, a caretaker government is a temporary government during a transition period. In ecology, in an ecological or environmental context, a caretaker might be someone who looks after a natural area, like a park ranger or a wildlife guardian. Caretaker role. This phrase emphasizes the responsibilities one has in the caretaker position. Caretaker government, a temporary administration in power, acting as a caretaker, when someone temporarily takes on the duties of looking after someone or something. We've come to the end of our exploration of the term caretaker. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this versatile word. Remember, a caretaker can be anyone from a family member to a professional, with the key responsibility being to take care of someone or something. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.